Welcome to Love Infused Kitchen. I'm Angie, and on today's episode, I'll be making strawberry cream cheese bars. So the first ingredients that we need to mix together are, in my bowl I have 1 1/2 cups of graham cracker crumbs. To this mixture, I'm adding 6 tablespoons of melted butter, and I also have 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, and I'm going to mix this up until it's a wet mixture. Next, I have an 8x8, which the recipe calls for a 9x9, but I happen to have an 8x8 pan here. I've greased it with coconut oil, lined it with parchment paper, and then greased the parchment paper. I'm going to pour my crumb mixture into my 8x8 pan. And press it into the pan. Okay, so I poured a little extra butter over top of the crumb mixture. I'm going to set this to the side now. Next is the filling mixture. I have 2 packages, or 8-ounce bars of cream cheese that's softened. I need 2 eggs. Two eggs are going in the bowl. Next, I have 1/3 cup of granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, which this is pure vanilla extract, and I also have 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And I'm going to cream this together. And the cream cheese filling is going to go into the pan here on top of the graham crackers. All right, next, I have 2 cups of thinly diced or small diced strawberries here, and we're going to put these on top of the cream cheese mixture. So bright, so beautiful. Okay, next is going to be our crumble topping. Okay, for the crumble topping, I'm going to mix together a 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of light brown sugar that's been packed, and I have 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Whisk these together. And to this mixture, I'm adding 5 tablespoons of melted butter. And I'm going to take the crumble mixture here and put it on top of the cream cheese and strawberry bars. There are our bars. My strawberry cream cheese bars are now ready for the oven. The oven has been preset to 350. So I'm going to put these in the oven. And I'm going to set my timer for 35 minutes. The instructions say 35 to 40 minutes is how long it should take to make them. Okay, I'll bring you back when they come out of the oven. The strawberry cream cheese bars have come out of the oven. So now I've placed them on a cooling rack where they will cool for 1 hour. And after that, they will be placed into the refrigerator, and then you want to let them sit in the refrigerator for at least another hour more. So I will bring you back when it's time for the taste test. All right, I'm back and ready for my taste test. So here is the strawberry cheesecake bar, which I also just left pictures up of. So let's give it a taste. That is so good. It's like better than eating a piece of cheesecake with the crumble topping on top of it. So if you are a fan of strawberry cheesecake And then if you can imagine crumble topping on top of it, fantastic. You must give it a try. Well, that's it for this episode. So until the next time, thank you and thanks for watching.